Hello fellows, welcome to another episode of the Bitcoin series. I will upload the video often to review the latest updates for the market. We are still long in this market. Remember our giveaway for the Bitcoin series. Guys, thank you very much for your support as we are growing really fast. Most of you are already trading the markets and this makes me happy to know that my viewers are real traders. Also, thank you for your messages. I have already said that I'm interested in trading strategies, and again, thank you all. So let's give a look. We will start with the sentiment analysis. And guys, again, trading is risky as hell, and we do that for entertainment purposes only. Don't follow my trades. I have said that several times that trading is risky, and this is just a disclaimer, but I need to inform you about every time that you are trading or every time that you are watching my series. So, what we will see in the CFTC report. As we can see, retailers are decreasing their short positions. Also, more and more retailers own an entire Bitcoin. This is normal as the value has decreased. The most important is that commercials are doing exactly the same. They are also decreasing their short positions. Now, check how they behave because the commercials are the most important part that we need to pay attention when we are analyzing our sentiment. They reduced the short positions, but they didn't increase their longs. There is indecision in the market. Now check how insane is the market and why there is still fear. When the currency was at 35 or 40k, people were willing to buy, and now that the value is at 17, they still don't find it attractive. This is why the market has no rules. Of course, this is why 90% are losing money in the market. Either they are entering too soon or too late. Timing and momentum in the market are something that needs time and experience. Even for this trade, the first thing that I calculated is the amount of money that I'm willing to lose. Now, let's see the diagram with the total longs versus shorts. Remember what we said, we need to read the numbers correctly. Even though long positions were not increased, it seems that they do. In any case, we have indecision in the market. What really happens is that short positions were decreased. And also, guys, now that we are growing in numbers, I see that you are sending me some trades and stop losses and so on. The conclusion and what I personally believe is that I see most people, especially when they start trading, are feeling lucky. They do some trades, they see their balances increase. However, when they start losing, they leave their losing trades. And this is what finally happened. This will finally blow up your account. I won't speak about generations like X, millennials, baby boomers, or whatever. I don't believe that humans are products. And I don't, especially, they don't need any labels. There is a feeling of entitlement in most of new traders, and this is what I see. You need to know how to lose. I'm not a guru or a motivational speaker, thanks God, but this is common sense. I will open my MT4 to check the technical analysis and the technical part. Still, the market is bearish. Indeed, the market is quiet all these times. As I said, my speculations is that the second wave is starting. We are not wizards, so we don't know exactly when. In any case, we need to see the price break previous resistances. We are still in the retracement. A channel might be formed at this level, but again, this won't change the fact that the market is still bearish. Guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your likes, subscriptions, and your messages and everything. I mean, I didn't expect to grow so fast, and thank you very much for your support. I will try to upload a video when something changes in the market. For the moment and for this market, the bias is bearish. Still, the market hasn't done the moves that we are expecting to do. Let's say that this is normal. I mean, I am expecting to lose a trade or to win a trade. because that's what we discussed earlier. Again, guys, thank you very much and trade safe.